For past 15 years of my life, I never ate anything that had wheat in it because I thought I'm gluten sensitive. That's why I did not take any kind of wheat ever. Till the time I found something called black wheat. Assalamu alaikum all people, I am Dr. Asma and let me tell you today about something called black wheat. Black wheat is very different from the normal white wheat, firstly because it is black. The color of anything that you make with the black wheat is gonna turn out black. That is a downside if you don't like black color. I like black color very much, so it is not a problem for me. Otherwise, it is lower in gluten. Secondly, it is lower in chemicals because the normal white wheat that we eat is usually sprayed with a lot of chemicals. It has a lot of insecticides, pesticides and sprays sprayed on it. But the good thing with black wheat is it cannot sustain any amount of chemicals. So if you want to grow black wheat, it is gonna be free of any chemicals, insecticides, pesticides and any other sprays. So that is one of the best things about this wheat. Secondly, it is naturally lower in gluten than normal wheat. Although it has gluten, but it has a very low amount of gluten as compared to the normal wheat. Thirdly, it is rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are something which are not found in normal wheat. In black wheat, there are a lot of antioxidants, and in addition to antioxidants, it is also rich in a lot of minerals and vitamins. So this table compares the black wheat with the normal white wheat, and you can see the level of the antioxidants is higher in black wheat as compared to the normal white wheat. The level of fiber is also higher in black wheat as compared to the normal white wheat. The level of iron, zinc, magnesium all are higher as compared to the normal white wheat. And if we see the vitamins, you can see it is higher in vitamin E, folate as well as beta carotene as compared to the normal white wheat. So black wheat is richer in antioxidants, vitamins and minerals as compared to the normal white wheat. Plus it does not have the chemicals that are usually sprayed on the normal white wheat. And I was so happy to taste the roti again, so happy to taste the puri again, the pizza again made with wheat. And this wheat did not hurt me because in fact I am not sensitive to gluten. I was sensitive to all the chemicals that are sprayed on the gluten. And I never knew it for the past 15 years. So in the description box below, I'll share with you the link from where I got this black wheat. And as word of caution, once you get your black wheat, the first thing you have to do is you have to put it in boiling water. If your wheat has been painted black, it is not originally black wheat, it will give off color in the water. And that is not black wheat. Black wheat should be original black and it should not leave any color when you put it in boiling water. I found a very trusty seller on the Raz and I have attached the link in the description box below. You can order this wheat on the Raz if you are in Pakistan. This particular seller that I am telling about has a lot of other flours and he has a stone ground mill also. Because the normal flours that we usually get in the market usually ground up in iron rollers, which is not very good. So stone ground wheat or stone ground flours are the best flours that you can find.
Anyway, so excited to show you the roti that I made with this flour. I just took 2 cups of this flour. You can see it is blacker than the normal regular white flour because it is made with the black seeds. So you can see I have taken out 2 cups and I add some salt to it and I have kneaded it with normal lukewarm water, just like I used to knead the normal wheat. I have used about 1 cup of lukewarm water to achieve this consistency. Now I am adding about 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. You can add any oil if you like, it makes the roti softer. Anyway, once I kneaded it with the desi ghee, I just left it for about half an hour so that the dough sets. After half an hour, you can see it passed so quickly because of the video editing. Now sprinkle the surface on which you want to make the chapati or the roti with the dried flour. The same dried flour with which we kneaded the dough, that dried flour will sprinkle it on the surface and we will take about a cricket ball size piece of dough. We will just roll it up in a ball and we will then flatten it with the rolling pin. And trust me when I say, for the first time when you make the roti, it will not come out round like this. This is my mom making this roti. She has done it for the past 40 years, so it is very easy for her. Anyway, the thickness of the roti should not be too thick, it should not be too thin, it should be just this thickness. Once it is made, now we'll put it on the tawa. The tawa should be preheated on a medium flame, and you can see it, the roti has started to cook. Once the color changes, it means one side is cooked. Now change, flip it up, and you can see the other side will start cooking. And after about 2 to 3 minutes, you will see that the roti will start to puff up. Many people, what they do, they remove it from the tawa and put it directly on the flame. But my mom says our roti will puff up without putting it on the flame. So she was the boss, because I have not made roti for the past 15 years, so I had no say over there. Anyway, the roti puffed up like this, and you can see many people, they put some oil or ghee at this stage also, but I wanted a dry roti, so I made a dry roti. As you can see, it is a perfect roti, all puffed up with all the layers and everything. It is a bit darker than the regular roti because it is made out of black wheat flour. Otherwise, the texture and the feel of the roti is just like the roti. You can see all the layers of the roti. Now I will try it with my halim. I have made this halim gluten free because I had stopped eating wheat altogether. Basically, this black wheat is not for people who are looking for a low carb option. It has the same amount of carbohydrates. The nutrition count is exactly the same. Also, it has a bit of gluten. So, people who are gluten sensitive also cannot have this black wheat. But people who are sensitive to the chemicals that are sprayed on the black wheat, they can enjoy this in moderation. And as per taste, it tasted perfect to me because I had tasted roti after about 15 years. In all these years, I made numerous gluten-free cakes, biscuits, breads, and rotis and chapatis. To view all these recipes, do subscribe to our channel because you will find wonderful recipes for weight loss and for diabetics. But this roti in particular is not good, not for diabetics and not for Weight Watchers also.
Let me know in the comment section below. Did you know about black wheat before and did you try it? Share everything you know about black wheat in the comment section below so everybody can benefit from your knowledge. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.